but one thing that's kept me focused, and that is my original reason for going into this business, so to speak. I wasn't thinking about making a living off it at the time. I wasn't thinking about becoming a big star. I actually changed my name. My name is Friedman. But I was still a bacher in yeshiva at the time when I first started singing. And I think I'll change my name. Nobody will know who I am. I wasn't even dreaming about ever going on a stage. That was like, forget about it. It wasn't even so I'll change my name. I'll do these positive songs and give people a little chizuk and uplifting messages. And that's it. I'll just do something else. This will be like a little side thing or something. But Baruch Hashem, God had other plans. But this idea that my job is not to entertain, my job is to inspire. So I need a lyric, I need an idea that does just that. Otherwise, and there's so many songs that I've turned down because I didn't connect to the message. Like, what was the point? So thank God that I have not strayed from. That to this day is my guiding force. Is it a positive message? It could even be a pasuk from Tillim. If it's just a par of a pasuk, so to speak, that doesn't really, I won't take it. But if it's a pasuk about, faith or simcha or something that gives you a little inspiration, then of course the English songs and the Yiddish songs that I write or take always have to be with a positive message. Or what's happening lately is my message from, Mashiach is coming and get ready and it's happening and the time is now and goodbye Golus, and all these titles that I have. Now I find that I'm reaching out to God more in what's taking so long? What's going on? I'm more like a cry now. I'm more like I'm beseeching. Now I'm more like help. So that's what's